is going to be the incline push-up. Now this is something that can be used to help you get to a regular push-up if you can't do that yet. I always suggest people do an incline push-up. So it's just like a push-up, except your upper body is going to be more off of the ground, which is going to enable you to do the push-up more efficiently if you can't do it level with the ground yet. Also, another thing you want to focus on, just like the push-up, you want to keep your core tight, bring that belly button in, keep your butt muscles tight, squeeze your glutes, and don't go past, your range of motion shouldn't go beyond what you can control. So this is what I mean. So this is an incline push-up right here. You want to make sure you don't make those hips dip. You don't want your butt too high. You still want to be straight and level. You're going to come right here and down. Now, what I mean by don't go past the range of motion that you can control, if you can only go this far, only go that far. If that's as far as you can go, that's okay, because you want to progress to be able to go right here and then back up. So, and another thing I see people do too is sometimes it feels so easy, they go a little bit further, like all the way down almost past their elbows, and then come back up. The only thing with that is you don't want to rest, and you want to be able to come back up. So if you can only go this far and back up, start with that. Just do it just like that until you can eventually progress your way down to a 90 degree and come back up. And that's the incline push-up.